Hi, welcome to a well-seasoned kitchen. I'm Lee Clayton Roper, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my family's recipe for Southern corn pudding. Following a recipe that's been handed down from generation to generation, this corn pudding is moist, fluffy, comforting, and just the perfect side dish to serve with just about anything. And it's super easy to prepare with pantry ingredients. So let's get started. Place the eggs, corn, flour, sugar, and salt in the bowl of a blender or food processor. Pulse until the mixture has a hash-like consistency. You should still have some whole corn kernels. Scrape the filling into a 7 by 11 inch baking dish. Next, scald the whole milk. To do this, my grandmother Nama taught me to heat milk over medium-high heat until it begins to steam and show small bubbles but isn't yet at a full boil. Remove from heat and cool slightly. Gently stir the scalded milk into the pudding, mixing it well. Drizzle melted butter evenly over the top of the pudding, but don't stir it. Nama always said, don't stir. Place the dish inside a larger baking dish and put on the center rack of a preheated oven. Pour hot water into the outer dish until it reaches halfway up the sides of the pudding dish. This is called a water bath or a bain-marie, and it helps the pudding bake slowly and evenly. Bake, slowly stirring the pudding 2 to 3 times. Mom said stirring gives it a more rustic texture, which she liked. Bake the pudding for 1 hour or until set. Let the corn pudding rest at room temperature for about 5 minutes before serving. I hope you all give this dish a try and that you enjoy it as much as my family has for generations. Thank you.